So why do my numbers get deleted automatically on the Android? Let me explain it and show you how you can fix it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So if there are some third-party apps, for example, WhatsApp or other messages apps, and those simply lose like the saved numbers, it could be that they lost the permission to access it. So if I go to the settings and on the main settings page, as you're in here, go to the apps, you will have the ability to browse every single app. And WhatsApp is actually a great example because it is like an app for making calls and messages, but it is not like officially connected to the contacts, right? So if I go to the WhatsApp from the list, you'll see that we can manage the permissions, and currently, the WhatsApp can access contacts and can deliver me notifications, but not much else. But the point is that it might not have access to the contacts, and if it's set to don't allow, the WhatsApp will not be able to access your saved contacts, and it could happen that simply at this point you only see numbers, even though you have the numbers saved. So that's a nice way to make sure that all of the apps which you are using for making calls and messages have access to your contacts, can actually use them. So yeah, this applies to even a third-party messenger or a text messages app, whatever you're using, those should all have the contact access. But if something still just happened to your contacts list, just pay attention to the way that they are added in there. Because in my contacts app, if I go to the side panel like this, you can see I get to manage the contacts and I can see where they are coming from or how they are synced. So if I go to the sync, you can see I have the Google account, which is enabled, but I also have the Samsung account, which is not turned on. And it might have happened that I have some contacts saved in here too, and before it wasn't enabled and the contacts were not accessible. And perhaps I don't even see the account there, so I can click on add account and join with yet another Google account or do something else, right, to make sure I get my contacts to show up in there and that they don't get lost. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts, and if it actually helped you, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.